Hey there, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to review this quick little video. The point of this video is just to kind of show you some tricks and tips that you can utilize to increase your online presence. I'm going to go over a few things such as content, backlinks, and citations, and I'll show you how this will all kind of come together. So one thing is I highly recommend getting a website, even if it's just a one pager. And the reason for that is Google likes to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition, the number of keywords, and that sort of thing. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Google likes information. So in that content, you can strategically place keywords to tell you to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be put in front of when people are searching for it. So for example, you're a car detailer near Orlando, Florida. You want to tell Google that so it can tell its users that. So I went ahead and pulled up a couple of different things. As you can see, I just searched for mobile detailing Orlando, Florida. And this right here is what we call the map pack. This is where you'll want to aim to be because most potential customers are going to call the first 2 to 3 services that they see. Down here is what we call the organic listings. Again, you want to be on the front page of Google. So I pulled up a couple of your competitors' websites just to kind of show you. This is a good looking website, has some content on it. Pictures can be considered content as well, as long as they're labeled and applied correctly. So they have quite a bit of content on theirs. Here's another one. It's a little more confusing, but they definitely have some content and pictures on theirs as well. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable text. The idea is that these links act like an endorsement of your website from others with Google. Google uses these to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's almost like a popularity contest where one person with the most wins. However, they are not all created equal. You definitely want quality versus quantity in backlinks. So I can go here and see, okay, this one of your competitors has this many backlinks. I can go in and see exactly where their backlinks are. Same with this one. Go in, see exactly where their backlinks are, and this is one way we can match them and beat them and see what the quality of their backlinks are. Now, another thing I wanted to go over, which entails with the Google Map Pack, is citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. They're in places and directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, that sort of thing. There's thousands and thousands of directories. But these are what help you to rank in this map pack, and which is extremely important for our local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. The idea is these begin to add up, creating your online presence, allowing you to be seen more often by both people and Google. Once Google sees you more than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. I can also go in here and see what keywords they're ranking for on their website. So as you can see, mobile detailing Orlando has 600 searches a month. Keyword difficulty is kind of high with 17, but that's quite a bit of searches. And I can do that for any of them in the area. Another thing I wanted to point out is organic traffic. So off of their website and Google, they're getting 522 visitors a month to their website. Now, it's often 10 times more than what this tool that I utilize actually shows. So that is quite a bit of customers you could possibly be gaining. Even if you were just to get a percentage of that, say 50%, that's 250 people that would be visiting your website a month. So another thing I wanted to kind of point out here is on your Facebook, you have a great looking Facebook. You've been keeping it pretty up to date, which is awesome. You want to continue to do that. You want to make sure that you have any social medias that you have linked to your Facebook page as well. Definitely, you want to put keywords in your description, that sort of thing. So I hope you found this video beneficial to you. If you have any questions, would like some help, let me know. Again, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Thank you.